Students, today we will see nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds, quinoline and isoquinoline. For this nomenclature, we will see first how those molecules are. For their understanding, I am starting with simplest aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene. What is it? Benzene. And one more aromatic hydrocarbon I am drawing here, but it is heterocyclic compound. Its name is pyridine. When these two rings fuse together, then there is a formation of quinoline or isoquinoline. Now, how these two rings fuse together, for the understanding of that, here we will see bonding denotations for pyridine. Now, this bond, which is adjacent to nitrogen of pyridine, we will write as a A, we will write second to that as a B, C, D, E, F, like this. So, for the fusion with benzene ring, here I am drawing, suppose, fusion site. Here there is a 1,6-membered structure, benzene, and here also 1,6-membered structure, and these two carbons are common carbons. This and these two carbons are common carbons. Suppose if I write nitrogen here, then next to nitrogen bond is A, next to that is B, and next to that is C. So there is a joining of these two rings at B site of pyridine. So this molecule is benzo. In bracket we have to write fusion site, that is B, next to that is pyridine. So it is also a name for this molecule. But nitrogen in heterocycle is called as aza, and 6-membered nitrogen heterocyclic ring is called as INE. So aza plus INE together is called as azine. So this molecule is also named as benzo B azine. So benzene, pyridine together, fusion site is B bond of pyridine, so its name is benzo B pyridine or benzo B azine, and it is called quinoline. What is it? Quinoline. So first name benzobipyridine, second name benzobiazine, third name quinoline. Okay. Furthermore, we can write same molecule as a fourth name. For that, I am drawing here it is naphthalene. What is it? Naphthalene. And one carbon of that naphthalene, if I replace it with nitrogen, then it is derivative of naphthalene, and nitrogen is there at position number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So we can call it as 1-aza naphthalene. So it will be its fourth name, 1-azha-naphthalene. So how many names are there for benzene pyridine fuse compound? Site of fusion is B bond of pyridine. It is quinoline. It is benzo-B-pyridine. It is benzo-B-azine. It is 1-azha-naphthalene. Okay. So then we will move to isoquinoline. If you learn quinoline properly, for the isoquinoline, you have to do little modifications. With respect to position of nitrogen, there will be the difference. With respect to position of nitrogen, there will be the difference, and that difference we will see here. What changes I am doing? See, this nitrogen I am moving from position 1 to position 2. So here this bond will be A bond, this bond will be B, and fusion site will be C bond. Then next to that will be D, E, and F, like this. So here position of nitrogen is different. That is not to adjacent carbon at the place of adjacent, that is not adjacent to benzene carbon, but next to that alternate. So site of fusion is C, so its name will be benzo C pyridine. What is its name? Benzo C pyridine. As it is again nitrogen heterocycle 6 membered with benzene as fuse compound, its name will be benzo C azine. So instead of B, you have to mention C for isoquinoline. Now then, in case of, by assuming it as a derivative of naphthalene, then it will become 2-azha-naphthalene. 2-azha-naphthalene. So therefore, with respect to quinoline, only position of nitrogen is different here. Is there at 2, so its name is isoquinoline. So what are 4 names for this molecule? It is benzo-C-pyridine, it is benzo-C-azine, it is also called 2-azha-naphthalene, it is also called isoquinoline. But these two patterns, benzo-C-azine and isoquinoline, these two patterns are normally used for the nomenclature of isoquinoline derivatives or for quinoline derivatives. Okay, better you will understand with examples. So we'll move towards examples. So here I am drawing one molecule, benzene ring, and here I am writing nitrogen. Both are aromatic molecule it is. For the numbering, you have to start with nitrogen and then complete that pyridine ring first. 4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. It is a numbering where substituents can be. This is next to 4. It is called 4th A carbon and it is called 8th A carbon. So here it is about numbering. In case of isoquinoline, numbering will be same. Pyridine ring you have to number first, but position of nitrogen is not to adjacent to benzene. So here adjacent will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. So nitrogen is there at position 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it will be 8A, it will be 4A. So it is about numbering for isoquinoline and quinoline. Okay. So here I am connecting substituent, suppose to 7th position as a nitro group. So its name will be 7 nitro quinoline by one pattern. Alternatively, you can write it as 7-nitro benzo B, since it is B site of fusion. 7-nitro benzo B azine. Now consider another molecule, how we can name it. Now here I am writing suppose chlorine. Here I am writing methyl. To carbon number 4 I am writing methyl. So two substituents are there, methyl and chlorine. Alphabetically you will write chloro first. So 8-chloro, 4-methyl isoquinoline. Alternatively, we can name it as 8-chloro, 4-methyl benzo C azine. So it is about first two examples. Okay, we will see few more. From the name we will proceed towards structure. So consider 1-acetyl benzo C azine. So that C, remember, indicates isoquinoline. So nitrogen's position will be there at carbon number 2. So it will be 1, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 like that. And to the carbon number 1, you have to write acetyl group C double bond O CS3. So it is structure for 1-acetyl benzo C azine. It is also called, instead of that benzo C azine, you can write isoquinoline also. We will move to another example. Quinoline 4-carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, that you know, is COOH. Quinoline means what? It is benzo B azine. Nitrogen to adjacent position with respect to benzene ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And to fourth position you have to write COOH group. So it is quinoline 4-carboxylic acid. So like this you can draw structures if name is given. 1-ethyl isoquinoline is a name given there. So iso means nitrogen is there to second position like this, and this is the first position where you have to write C2H5. So it is 1-ethyl isoquinoline or 1-ethyl benzo C azine. Okay, we will move towards one more example. Now consider molecule 1-amino isoquinoline. So isoquinoline means nitrogen to second position, and to the one position there must be amino group. So it is structure of 1-amino isoquinoline. So like this you have to learn how you can name molecules and how you can write their structure. So keep in mind, quinoline, a fused compound of benzene and pyridine on the basis of fusion site, it is benzo B azine, and that is quinoline. Then for isoquinoline, difference is only position of nitrogen. Fusion site is C, that is benzo C azine, isoquinoline. Numbering starts